bring it on.
Yeah, it's about that time. Time to get hyped, time to get rowdy. Get about your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, the show's about to begin. Swollen members, honor combat. Come on!
Honor, combat, respect your opponent. When the bell sounds, you better capture the moment. Honor, combat, honor, combat. When I start swinging and bringing it, you don't want that. I'm talking KO, stand up, ground game, chokehold, Muay Thai, wrestling, jiu-jitsu, judo, elbows, knees. You can't breathe submissions. We leave no room for the judge's decisions. Honor, combat, scrapping, grappling, hit you so hard you will not know what happened. Honor, combat, smashing, crack 'em. You can hear the bones crack when I attack 'em. Play hard, my mission is train hard, conditioning, brave hard. My vision is slay competition. It goes honor, combat, stamina, endurance. If you came to fight, better have life insurance. Show no mercy in the ring, I'm bloodthirsty. When I swing forms perfect, welcome to the blood circus. Call me the death machine, cause I'm a monster. I'm here for one thing, that's to knock you unconscious. Honor, combat, respect